Hello dear traders and welcome to another update. For today I will speak about the pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market and about Bitcoin and the dollar index. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So what I found here, and we'll go just very fast through the British pound and the futures market just to show you there is a big selling climax. So there is a big wide range of the bar. Close in the middle is basically suggesting that there is a tons of accumulation going on here, and lots of the buyers actually in this big volume. So this was a very huge climax here that I can see. And the next bar, this is a 4-hour time frame. The next bar was a bar, suggesting that basically there is no follow through of this selling climax. And normally in price will try to rally from here, and then went to revisit this close yesterday. Revisited here today. We tried to go lower to this area and we failed. So this seems like we're building like a good structure for the upside and potential retest of let me just go to pound versus US dollar in the spot FX price. So the good potential for the recent 1.350 level to be on the test, and eventually if we can get away from 1.368, we can even have a much bigger rally in the next period. So maybe even if I calculate this area here and this climax here and project, this is 160 pips. In case of some upside breakout, short term speaking, I can see also if I put like 170, project here from the breakout, it can literally lead us to this area around 1.3, 500, 510 area. So I think we started to build a higher lows in the 4-hour time frame. So there is definitely this good potential for the bigger rally on the pound in the next period. So this is pretty hot. Selling climax, ultra wide range of the bar, tests this morning. Also, this is a test. We can go lower frames, 30 minutes. I can show you here. So watch 8 a.m. right there. There was a test. There was nothing. There was no spectacular volume. I can also go on the futures. No volume in this test. So a test of this supply. So this is pretty. I think we're building one good accumulation for the further rally. So watch for buying opportunities on the pound, pullbacks, and overall in the short-term perspective. Speaking about gold market, it's a different story. Gold market took the cluster of the lows here. Let me just go and I can show you on the futures market how it looks like. That there was a big climax there. It's a 4-hour time frame. But the problem with this one is that we have some narrow bars here, and price tried to react here. But if you check on the test, you see that we actually we're taking the low of that climax. So we didn't have a successful test this morning. Like pound had a successful test, but if I speak about here, I don't see any kind of successful test, no higher lows or anything. Like we just got like a downside cycle here, and we took the low. So basically, this is a bearish stance so far. I don't see anything bullish here. We might react and back above again the previous cluster of the lows, but for now this is pretty bearish, so selling on the rallies with potential test of this low at 1761 might be in the play. So 1760 and so. But there is a selling climax in the background, which is basically not that good confirmation for the continuational pattern, but although I don't see any kind of reversal yet at this stage. So downside 1760. If we find some buyers and establish some upside, that will be some bullish. But for now, I don't see that. And speaking about dollar index for itself, US dollar index, this looks like we're building like a continuational pattern. We got a big reversal here. And seems like we're building continuational pattern to revisit 95.50 area and maybe 95.22. So dollar index, I expect also some downside on dollar index in the next hours or so, and maybe in the next few days. And for the end, the Bitcoin found the resistance we spoke about around 59,000 and 60,000, and then basically went very flat at this stage. So, watch for this consolidation, watch for eventual breakout, either upside or downside to confirm further direction. Downside breakout can lead us again to 53,320. Upside breakout of all of clusters here can eventually bring us even to the spot here at this stage, right around 63,378. So for now, sideways market, and watch for the breakout of this consolidation. Will be all for today. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe and see you all tomorrow morning.